High fire danger continues during this brutal heat that we've been having. Tonight, the Texas A&M Forest Service is assisting with 3 wildfires while successfully containing over a dozen in the last week alone. News 3's Donnie Tuggle spent the day with the Texas A&M Forest Service and learned just what goes into responding to these kind of wildfires.
Since the start of the year, the Texas A&M Forest Service, along with local fire departments, have responded to nearly 2,000 wildfires covering more than 50,000 acres across the state. Today, I got a behind-the-scenes look at the operations center where that response comes from.
On a very busy day, we'll have multiple smoke columns.
Here at the Texas A&M Forest Service Emergency Operations Center, experts monitor fire risk and coordinate firefighting resources and personnel. Wes Moorehead, the fire chief, is currently overseeing more than 400 personnel assisting local departments throughout the state.
The Texas A&M Forest Service comes in to support their efforts. And so we bring heavy equipment in the form of bulldozers, we bring aircraft in the form of air tankers, as well as wildland firefighters to the scene to help suppress wildfire.
At Easterwood Airport, Rob Ellick and Kurt Atkins, along with their aircraft, await deployment to the next major wildfire. Functioning as a mobile air traffic control center above the fire, they provide crucial aerial support and aid in managing operations.
With all the aircraft coming in at various altitudes, at various levels, we help sequence that safely so that nobody's crashing into each other and all the water retardant goes in the right place where they're asking for it.
Back at the EOC, Moorehead says that out of 544 full-time employees, 352 have wildfire or wildfire support qualifications. He says that, coupled with data-driven predictions of fire-prone areas, enable them to mobilize before a fire occurs.
As you look at a state as big as Texas, it is quite a task to track all of those resources and make sure we are assigning them in the most efficient and effective manner possible.
In College Station, Donnie Tuggle, News 3.
And slowly, more burn bans continue to be enacted across the Brazos Valley.